Hello guys, you're welcome again to Need Tech Tips, and it's nice to have you back on the channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to delete a YouTube channel. So for whatever reason you want to delete your YouTube channel, probably you have more than one channel, or probably you feel that you're not using a channel anymore and you like to just get rid of it. Here is how to go about it. So the first thing we need to do is to proceed to where our channel is. Okay, in this situation, I'm going to come to switch account. Then I want to find the list of channels that I would like to delete in my account. So basically, I'll be selecting this one right here. Okay, so the next thing, now that we have switched to the particular channel that we like to delete, the next thing is to come right again and click on the top right icon right there. Then we are going to come to settings. We click on settings, and then from here we're going to come to advanced settings. Okay, so here we are going to scroll down the fold to see delete channel. So I'll just go ahead and click on delete channel. Okay, so I just click on yes. This kind of confirmation that the right owner of the account is trying to delete the channel. It's just like a check from Google to make sure that your account has not fallen into the wrong hands. So I just performed the authorization from my mobile phone. Okay, we do get a error, but basically that's the step to get a channel deleted. But I'll just take it again and see how that goes. As you can see, the channel is not gone yet. Let's take it again and see if we were able to delete the channel this time around. Advanced settings, then we come to delete channel. Okay, again we got an error, so basically we're gonna have to, let's see if we can use another channel this time. Okay, so I'm gonna have to click on switch account again to switch to the particular account that I would like to delete. So I'll just go with this one. So from here we're gonna have to click on the icon again, then we scroll down to settings, and then from here we're gonna click on advanced settings, then we'll scroll down to delete channel. Okay, I just performed the authorization on my mobile phone, and as you can see, it says hide or delete your content from YouTube. Remove YouTube content. I want to hide my channel. I want to permanently delete my content. As you can see, we have other options right on the hide my channel. This will make your YouTube content and activity private. So in a situation that you just want to make the channel private for some time, you can go with this option. But there are some caution there. As you can see, it says select all of the following to confirm you understand. The following will be made private until you are able to enable your channel. Your channel name will be private, your likes will be private, also your subscriptions to the channel will be private, and subscribers on your channel will also be private. So the following will be permanently deleted. That is if you selected the option. Your comments will be deleted. Then your replies and YouTube comment will also be deleted. Then your data on the Google properties will not be removed. This is when you click this option. So you are given a plethora of options to tweak what you want to happen when you eventually decide to get rid of your channel. So, or you can just leave out all of this and just say hide my channel. Well, basically, the essence of this video is to show you how you can delete your channel. So, and here is option. It says I want to permanently delete my content. This will permanently delete the YouTube data associated with this account. Select all of the following to confirm that you understand. So just go right here and select this one, and basically once I select this option, it means that my subscriptions to the channel, or let me say the subscribers I have to the channel, will be gone. The comments that I already have on the channel will also be gone. The replies and thumbs up and comments and messages and every other thing like search and watch history will be gone. So basically, if I'm okay with that, I'll just say delete my content, then click on please confirm by typing in your email address. So I just go right ahead and type in my email address again. Okay, it's already on the screen here. So the next thing is to click on delete my content, and as you can see, your content is being deleted. This is your content is in the process of being permanently deleted, and usually this takes a few minutes but can take up to a couple of days if you have a lot of content. So guys, basically that's how to delete your YouTube content, and the process is just as simple. Sorry for the earlier glitch. I wouldn't know why Google refuses to delete the other channel, but basically this is the simple steps that you can follow to have your channel deleted. So that's it on how to delete your YouTube channel. I hope you found the video useful. If it's your first time on my channel, please do subscribe and also like the videos, and I'll see you again in the next one. Thank you.